Hey, are you tired of paying way too much for a pair of gloves or mittens? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you what I think are the best ski or snowboard gloves for under 50 bucks. Let's get it. Hey, I'm John with JohnLaGuardia.com, and if you're into the outdoors for photography, skiing, mountain biking, hiking, camping, backpacking, those sorts of things, you're in the right place. On this channel, I do tutorials and reviews with tips and tools for outdoor adventure. So if you're new here, welcome, and please consider subscribing. So I've got 3 pairs of gloves to share with you today. These are from Truck Gloves. They're born and bred and tested in the Wasatch Mountains of Utah. These are fantastic at a great affordable price point as well. So all under 50 bucks. This is the M1 Pro Glove, and I've been using these for about a season and a half, and they're fantastic for going up the skin track. They're a lightweight, stretchable, breathable glove. Now they are water resistant, they're not completely waterproof, but if you watch the full reviews on each of these gloves, I give you a pro tip on how to waterproof these things and make them bulletproof. The next up are the mittens, and these are a little bit warmer obviously than the gloves, but these are really fantastic, and these come in black and brown. The M1 Pro gloves come in the same colors as well. And then this is the trigger glove, and the trigger glove comes in white and tan and black as well. So this is the perfect mix of warmth, durability, and dexterity in a glove. So are they gloves? Are they mittens? I don't know. They call them the trigger, but you've got to check them out. They're pretty awesome. Now these run around 45 bucks I think, and these are like 49, so 47, 49, somewhere in there. So all under 50 bucks. For the price, you can't beat these gloves, and in fact you might even want to buy all 3 because they're so cheap and durable and long lasting. And the reason these gloves are so cheap is that Truck is able to produce these without having a middleman, so they sell direct to the consumer, and they're able to sell a much higher quality glove for a lower price. Definitely check these out. Give them a try. This year I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. I'll put a link in the description down below. Well, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one.